Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I would love to hear some ways that you guys have been be seen yesterday, over the weekend. So feel free to let me know those different things. You can send me a quick little video. You can send me a letter in the mail. I've loved getting some of those letters in the mail. So thank you so much. I would love to hear about those different things. So remember, our deep hope is to identify, imitate, and celebrate Christ's characteristics together. So keep that in mind as you are doing your learning from day to day. In math, you are going to be working on coordinate graphs, pages 367, 368. So I want to go over this top part with you. It says a coordinate graph shows where things are located. This graph shows where things are in a park. So find the sandbox. You're going to start at the 0. You're going to start down here. Then it says go 1 over. So you're going to go 1 over and go 2 up. Okay? So you're going to just follow the directions one by one. For numbers 1, 2, and 3, and 4, you're going to use this top graph to figure out the answers. So find each point on the coordinate graph, circle the object at that point. Okay? Social studies. Today you are going to do some more learning about the Netherlands. Yesterday for the read aloud, I read a story, at least most of a story about the Netherlands. I'm hoping to still put together a little slideshow so that you can see some of the pictures from when I was there. Read and look through the slides with the link on your learning plan, or read through the printed slides in your learning packet. So you have 2 different ways of doing that. See what new and interesting things you learned about the Netherlands today. Be a creation enjoyer. Have fun with that. Reading. Answer questions 2 through 5 on page 361 somewhere in your purple journal. So this goes back to the story Stirring Up Memories. You're going to look at that story one final time today and answer questions 2 through 5. Writing. An object poem can be about anything. So today you're going to practice object poems. A special object like a stuffed animal, a household item, or something in your office. I could write a poem about my glasses, or about a pen, or about a paper clip, right? When writing an object poem, try to look at the object through poet's eyes. So you're going to look at it in a different way. It does not need to rhyme. It can. But it should use lively words and show emotion. So it needs to use some of those adjectives that you've been working on. Think about how you can use adjectives to describe your object. Don't forget to use the writer's checklist on page 365 in your treasures book. There are some object poems that I believe are printed off in your packet, or there's a link in your learning plan as well. But I want to show you one. This is from a student 6 or 7 years ago, and so I just want to share it with you because this is a great object poem. The tape measure is a snake in a race that's hard to beat. Its tongue just keeps on stretching until it's at 12 feet. So he used a couple of rhyming words. It also reminds me of our it's possessive and our it's our contraction. So using a tape measure and just thinking about it in a new and different way. Spelling, practice the words you had wrong today. And finally, Bible. Go over your Bible memory, Psalm 23. You're almost done with that one. And today you have a Bible assessment. So have someone read those questions to you, but I want you to answer those questions on your own. Have a wonderful Tuesday.